Hey guys, Bodie back with another video for you, bodiedavison.com. Check that out, my new website. So today's video, we're going to dive into, this is Hershey by the way, my dog, just sleeping. Today's video, we're going to dive into top 5 best websites for you to sell your t-shirt designs on. So obviously you guys that have been following along with these videos know that I'm a big fan of Teespring. So there's going to be, I've also mentioned Redbubble actually, and there's a couple of other ones. So stay tuned and I'll show you what those ones are. Thanks so much for everyone who keeps engaging with the content, so liking the videos, commenting so I can talk to you guys and get to know you all. And make sure you hit subscribe because that's what it's all about, so we can grow this channel and blow it up. So I'll keep bringing the fire content. You guys keep subscribing, all right, and engaging. Thanks very much. Let's get into today's video. Alrighty, top 5 best websites that you should be selling your shirts on. So let's start off with Teespring. Teespring, obviously, I'm a big fan of. That's what I'm pushing on this channel because it's free. It's so easy to use. I love the platform. It's got a, you can make designs on the site, which is like one of the other ones on here. And then the other 3, you can't make the designs on site. But I'll tell you what you want to do if you stay to the end to be able to upload all of your designs to all of these websites and make even more money. So Teespring is an official partner of YouTube, which tells you a lot because YouTube is Google, obviously. So if Google's partnering with a print-on-demand company, they clearly believe in that company. Google would not be partnering with these people if they, YouTube merch, they would not be doing it unless they believed in them. So I'm a big fan of Teespring and it's very easy to use, as you guys have found so far. So if we look at my listings here, what you want to do is so let's look at this one here. So self-isolation expert t-shirt that I made. What you want to do is have all of these designs on all of these websites that I'm going to show you, the top 5 websites. So you should be all over it because if you're casting a big wide net, you're more likely to catch fish. That's why. So if you're posting to all of these different websites, you're way more likely to get sales. It's just simple as that. That's how it goes. So anyway, the cool thing about Teespring is obviously that they have the on-site designer. So if we just go, what do I want to do? Go backwards, sorry. And just go start designing up here. It's so easy. You just choose a t-shirt or whatever you want to design on. You go start designing. You're going to go sell. And then you're away and you're uploading your image on site or adding your text on site and designing the shirt on site. So this website, another one that I'm about to show you, they both have this. They have this feature, which is really cool. But what you want to do is have a design that you upload to all 5 of these websites and be pushing traffic to all of them. And obviously then you're going to have a way bigger chance of making more money online passively, quite easily. So let's go to the next one here. So this is SunFrog. SunFrog's been around for a long time. You've probably heard of it. SunFrog is very similar to Teespring. So it's got the on-site designer as well. And then you can do the same thing as I was just showing you there. So you can upload, whatever design you want. You can also use other people's designs on here and then they get paid a percentage. I believe they still do that. They used to do that anyway. And it's a great platform also. So you should also be on this one. Then we've got Redbubble, which I've talked to you guys about before. So I have an account on Redbubble here, which is free to sign up. All of these are free, by the way. That's why I'm showing you them all. So there's no excuse there. They're free to sign up for. You have your designs on here, and then people will, the website, when people buy off you, will take a percentage of the sale, and that's how it's paid for. So there's no excuse there, guys. So again, Redbubble, similar, you can set up an account on here and then you can upload to, just like Teespring, upload your design and you can be putting it on phone cases, wall art, all of these things. It gives you all the options to put it on everything, on mugs, on everything. So that's cool because you're not just putting up a t-shirt, you're putting up so many different things in so many different categories and people are always searching Redbubble for things to buy. So it's a very popular website. The next one, we're up to number 4. Yeah, number 4 is Teechip. Teechip is very similar to Teespring. T-Chip doesn't have the on-site designer, but it is a very popular one as well. You've probably heard of that as well. And again, you would have your design, like I was saying, and upload it to this as well. So every design that you do, which I'll show you guys how to do in a second on this website, you would upload to all 5 of these websites, because then you're going to have a way bigger chance of making more money. Well, it's simple as this, guys. If you have 1 shirt on one site or 10 shirts on one site versus 10 shirts on 5 sites, you're like, it's pretty obvious. Do the mathematics there. You're way more likely to make money, and lots of money. So Teepublic is the 5th one that I've got for you guys. And again, it's a similar thing to like I just said before. You want to have upload your designs on this one as well, and have them on here and making you passive income. So that's your top 5 best websites. Now let's move along to the thing that you need so that you can make designs and upload it to all of these and just be making that passive income, like I said. So that's placeit.net, which is something that I've talked to you guys about before. What you can get, there is a pricing plan. I can't even remember what the pricing is on it. It's you can purchase a single logo, or you can do the $14.95 a month or $99.95 a year. That's in Australian though, so I'm not sure what it works out for you guys in the US, and have unlimited. And there's so many logo designs, guys. It's absolutely crazy. So this is huge. This is like a game changer for t-shirt designs. And it's just massive. So I'll leave a link to this website down below. You should check this out for sure. What I've done here though is put in Pup Club, selected wellness, but it can be, you know, whatever. I just selected wellness, and then some colors. And then it's actually just given me some designs here straight away, like showing you some different logo designs. So obviously what you can do here is you could make different logos and different designs for t-shirts. So it's huge. None of these look that good, but like I was saying, with the actual pricing plan, you can use this and do the custom logo templates, and there's heaps of them and they look so good. So you can change everything about them. And yeah, it's just an absolute game changer for t-shirt designs. And then the other beautiful thing about Placeit is you can do exactly what's happening in this video. It's so huge. You can upload your mock-ups, your designs, to a mock-up of models with so many different models, and then have these shirt designs on models that you can upload to your social media. So you can put there's so many, I think there's like 10,000 or more model photos, and then you can upload your photo to the model and then upload them to social media, which is awesome social proof. So you can even do it with a mug. It's an absolute game changer, and it is, yeah, it's just crazy. I can't believe that you can do this. So I'm a big fan of this website. I've mentioned it multiple times, and it's an absolute necessity so that you can upload your logos. You can get all your different logos, and then you can also use this for social proof, which will sell way more shirts, by the way. So if you look at any successful t-shirt company, what they do is upload photos of people wearing their gear. What they want and what you want is customers wearing your gear, because it's social proof. Like I keep repeating, I know I'm saying it a lot, but social proof is absolutely massive in selling products. So when you've got this, you can upload it, and then you might not have sold a t-shirt at all, but you've got this uploaded to 10 different models in all these sorts of shots, and so many people are going to be interested in buying your products. So that's about it, guys. That's my top 5 best websites. Thanks for staying to the end. If you've stayed to the end, make sure you give it a like. Make sure you hit subscribe. I'll leave the link to Placeit down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next